Welcome to our channel. If you want to pair your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 with easy steps, follow these instructions for a quick connection. Step 1. Make sure your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 are charged by placing them in the charging case for at least 20 minutes. Step 2. Open the charging case with the earbuds inside to automatically enable pairing mode, indicated by a blinking light. Step 3. On your smartphone or tablet, open Settings and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Step 4. In the Bluetooth settings, look for Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 in the list of available devices. Step 5. Tap on Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 to initiate the pairing process with your device. Step 6. Wait for the pairing confirmation, which should appear on your screen within seconds. Step 7. Download the Galaxy Wearable app for enhanced features like touch controls, equalizer settings, and firmware updates. Step 8. Open the Galaxy Wearable app and customize your earbud settings to match your preferences. Test the audio by playing music or a video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.